Tired of blurry, pixelated AI art? I'm about to reveal the secret sauce to creating breathtaking, high-resolution images with Leonardo AI that will blow your mind. First, head over to Leonardo Ai and log in now. The magic starts with your prompt instead of vague requests. Be incredibly specific, for example, instead of landscape, try a photorealistic mountain range at sunset, bathed in golden light, with snow-capped peaks and a serene lake reflecting the sky. The more detail, the better the result. Notice the difference. Vague prompts lead to generic images, detailed prompts unlock Leonardo AI's true potential. Next, experiment with different AI models within Leonardo AI Dreamshaper V7 is great for photorealism. While other models might be better suited for stylized art or character designs, each model interprets prompts differently. So find the one that vibes with your creative vision. See how the same prompt generates entirely different results with varied models. It's all about finding the perfect fit. Once you've generated an image you like, it's time to upscale. Leonardo AI offers powerful upscaling tools. Click on the Upscale button or Enhance Detail to significantly boost resolution and sharpness. Look at the dramatic improvement. Upscaling transforms your image from good to gallery-worthy. Finally, don't be afraid to leverage Leonardo AI's canvas editor for further refinements. You can use inpainting to add or remove elements, refine details, and fine-tune your image until it's absolutely perfect. And there you have it. By mastering prompt optimization, strategically selecting AI models, and utilizing upscaling techniques, you can unlock the full potential of Leonardo AI and generate stunning, high-resolution images for all your creative projects. Now go out there and create something amazing.